What's up, YouTube world? Well, if you have seen the title, then you know this is a bit of a bittersweet day because, yep, the old girl's going. She has a new home. The new owners are coming to collect her in a couple of hours, so I do need to run to the store, so one last drive. So, camera isn't mounted ideally because obviously I don't want to be sticking camera mounts in here again, so it's just kind of stuck on the dash there, so let's see what happens. On the key as always. Sit back and enjoy this final drive. Meanwhile, why don't we take a look at where it all began? Cue the montage. Hey guys, welcome back. And yeah, so obviously I'm messing about with the vans here. However, as you can hear, there's no exhaust system on the blue one. But initially, my thought was put all the effort into the blue one because the bodywork did look better. However, I've really been able to crawl around them today, and I'm leaning towards the white one here. She does need, obviously, fenders. The rocker panels are nowhere near as bad as I first thought. A lot of it was just basically crap caked up on them. Gotten it all off. Both inners and outers are quite solid. There's a few spots here and there, but nothing major.
Out in the garage, dust and rust. Finding old parts, fix it I must. Scratches and scars, hands are all bruised, blood, sweat and tears, yet I refuse. Nights getting long, dreams running thin. Facing the doubt, will it again spin? Engine won't roar, heart full of ache. Keep pushing on, no time to break. Oh, the pleasure and the pain. Hear the engine sing again. Through the storm, through the rain. On the road, we'll break the chain. Bolts won't budge, muscles are sore. Lost count of struggles, but still want more. Frustration screams, walls closing tight. But I see the light, I see the light. Down on my knees, praying it starts. Tangled wires puzzle like art. Sweat dripping down, heart skipping beats. When that roll finally repeats. Oh, the pleasure and the pain. Hear the engine sing again.
Well, here we go then. First time since 2007.
Driving down that road so long, 460 rumbling strong. Got my dog right by my side, faithful when we take this ride. Midnight air, the stars are bright, in my F-250 light. Dusty trails and endless skies, in my rearview pass goodbye. Nothing but the open road. Feel the breeze, oh let it blow. Me and my truck, we go through the night, we're riding slow. Memories in every mile, journey's got its own sweet style. Empty fields, we pass them by, in my truck, just you and I. Engine song, a steady hum, feels like home, no need to run. In the dark, we chase the moon, morning's light will find us soon. Nothing but the open road. Feel the breeze, oh let it blow. Me and my truck, we go through the night, we're riding slow. Engine song, a steady hum, feels like home, no need to run. In the dark, we chase the moon, morning's light will find us soon. Nothing but the open road. Feel the breeze, oh let it blow. Me and my truck, we go through the night, we're riding slow. Memories in every mile, journey's got its own sweet style. Empty fields, we pass them by, in my truck, just you and I. Engine song, a steady hum, feels like home, no need to run. In the dark, we chase the moon, morning's light will find us soon. Nothing but the open road. Feel the breeze, oh let it blow. Me and my truck, we go through the night, we're riding slow.
Well, and there we go, we're back. So, yeah, final thoughts on the old girl. It's been quite a journey, good grief. Yeah, I was going to swear there, but I'm trying not to because, you know, YouTube are cutting down on it and everything. But it's been quite a journey. There's been some highs and there's certainly been some lows. But yeah, she's off to a new home. And yeah, so that's it. The end of the journey, at least for me. Take care and have a good one. There she goes.